Hi guys, Happy New Year, Andrew here, and this is another exciting and educational video on Meet the Property Guy. I know that we all experience the discomforts, how rowdy and how uncomfortable, in a way, December was with the influx of IJGB. And now that we've gotten into January, I want you to know that even while it was so uncomfortable, some people made a lot of money. And do you know how they made this money? They didn't start planning in November. They started planning from the beginning of the year. And I know that I don't have enough insights. That's why I brought the boss himself, Meet the Property Guy, to give you insights on how to make money, how to plan for December 2025, so that while people are having their dirty December, you can be having your money December. So, over
Yeah,
to the boss.
yeah, definitely. Everything in life, there are always two coins, two sides of the coin. So there are always people complaining, people benefiting.
Yeah.
So it's up to you to decide that, oh, this is the category I want to be. So instead of you going online and complaining, you have to look at it that, okay, this is already happening. Um, it did not even started in December. It started right like October, November. The entire situation just got worse in December. And big thumbs up to the Afrobeat guys, because they are like the biggest reason why a lot of people turned up in Lagos,
Yes.
particularly. Wizkid was in Lagos. Burna Boy also had a couple of shows, and because of that, a lot of people like they wanted to have that Lagos feeling
Yes.
and being in a Wizkid show and all that. So and that trend has started, and the fact is that trend is here to stay.
Yes, for sure.
So, and I've seen several videos already online with people promising that December 2025 they must be in Lagos. They have to be in
Yes.
Lagos. And when I'm saying people saying that they must be in Lagos, these are people that are not even Nigerians.
Yeah.
You know, their parents is not Nigerian. They've never been to Nigeria before. Around 50% of their just got back guys, this is their first time in Nigeria. This is their first time in Lagos.
Yes.
And there is no way you're going to come to Lagos for the first time, come to Lagos in December, and you not want to come again. It's impossible because
Imagine.
the weather is fantastic. Lagos is at the most entertaining in December. There is
Yes.
so much places for you to go, so much events for you to go, so much for you to enjoy. So you definitely always want to come back.
Yes.
And in a lot of ways, Lagos is still a bit cheaper compared to maybe going to Miami or going to Dubai or going to other countries too. You
Yes.
get too. And these people are coming with their pounds and coming with their dollars too. All right. So there's that opportunity there. Although we, that we are the Lagosians, that we are hustling in Lagos, we are the one that suffer.
Yes. Of course.
Because we were seeing Uber just from Ogba to Ikeja, we were seeing 17K. You know, I went around Surulere just within Surulere in September, in December, just between Lawansin to Western Avenue. It was like around 8,000. I was just screaming, but I just had to order it like that, and I still had to be like around 15, 20 minutes for the rider to come.
Yes.
So even Uber went out of drivers.
Exactly.
There were too much requests that there were not enough drivers.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm very sure also they will also be looking at their dashboard and their demograph and be looking at it that, okay, if you're having this spike in December, how can we also meet up to the demand
Yes.
within that period of time too? So Uber, Bolt, InDrive, even as terrible as a lot of people have not been fine with a lot of some of those apps, they still have to use
We
it.
still have to use it.
You
No
know, they
choice.
still have to use it. So and it was very, very expensive. So and those are just the opportunities, you know. uh, Transport opportunity, logistics opportunity, security opportunity,
Yes.
because a lot of these IGGB guys that are so centered about security, you know,
Yes.
they have been hearing
In a
the
different
news, watching
country.
the video that, oh, Nigeria is not this. So they pay so much attention to the places they go,
Mm.
how secure that place is, the
Yes.
places they book, how secure is that place
The
is.
places,
Even if they
yes.
are going around, some of them have to still use escorts or bouncers and also all those
Yeah.
stuff. So people that are into securities also are going to make a lot of money, because
Yes.
some apartments will have to add more guards to their security for that December.
Yeah.
Some people will also have to like get private security
Private
just for that
security.
there are 2 weeks or for that there are 3 weeks
2 weeks.
also that are in the country. So security guys are also restaurants cash out a lot.
Yeah.
Clubs, we
Clubs.
were seeing different receipts.
We're paying in dollars.
People I saw 90 something million receipts. I saw 30 something million receipts, and it's just a night, just between
Yes.
like maybe 9 p.m. to like 3 a.m. And the truth is, if you convert this money 90 something million, 30 something million to USD, just like something $1,000. So a lot of these
Yes.
guys have the money, and well, maybe Nigerians have also like transferred that attitude to a lot of people. Nigerians we save from January just to spend on December. So we
Mm-hmm.
save for 11 months just to
Just to
spend
spend
out everything
everything.
in 12 months. And a lot of people will do that same. A lot of people have started right now.
Yes.
As they've gotten back to wherever that they come from, they are like already saving for the next Detty December in December, like
Yeah.
from now on. So clubs, restaurants, lounges, people in the hospitality, they cashed out a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Resorts, beaches were filled like almost every goddamn day. People were having events, concerts, back to back. And again, for calculating Jennifer made
Yeah.
like around 1 billion from Everybody Loves Jennifer just within like, was it
Yes.
like 1 week?
Yeah.
You understand now? So which is very, very smart. And
Yeah.
I'm very sure that our team must have already done the maths that Nigerians are mostly going to have holiday in December. So they
Yes.
have time to go to cinema. Nigerians want to do entertainment, they want to go out with their kids, they want to go out with their girlfriends, with their wife in December, so they can go to the cinema.
Yeah.
So why don't you just put this movie at December when people will have time and they
Club
are
in the
willing to
night,
spend?
cinema in the
Cinema,
afternoon.
cinema in the afternoon, or cinema
With
even
your
in the evening.
family. Family
With
time.
family time. You go with your wife, the two kids, go and watch, and maybe tickets like maybe 4,000 naira per person, that's like 12K.
Yeah.
16K, I had someone that even spent like at least 30 something because he went like with like 5 people, and he has bragged that I will pay for
Exactly.
everybody.
Exactly.
And the guy got there like maybe like 5,000 per ticket. They're like, you have to pay. So that's an opportunity. Someone just cast out like 1 billion just within few weeks. There are still opportunities here. That's just the truth. Forget about whatever you are seeing in the media, whatever you are seeing in the news. They cut one person head, they cut one person leg. 6 family did this, 7 family did this. One person is crying, blah blah blah. There are still opportunities here. People are still cashing out. And the things that I love the most about this December hype is when these guys are coming here, they'll be physically experiencing Nigeria
Yes.
and physically be seeing the opportunities here. That
Yeah.
okay, so I can do social business here. So this social business thrive here, and
Yeah.
a couple of them they are like mostly below 30. So they still have the energy, the excitement, and they want to try out. They are still innovative and are looking at it that okay, so if I build a app to do so thing, Nigerians can use it. So a lot of
Yeah.
them in next year or in next 2 years, they're already looking at it that okay, eventually this app, this business, this startup I'm building can also have a branch in Nigeria.
Yes.
And that's also to tell you that whatever people is discouraging you about Nigeria, that I maybe you set a travel time and people are telling you, I don't go back to Nigeria, I don't do this. If non-Nigerians are coming here and they are being excited about it, a lot of people on
Yes.
Instagram, you see the videos and they're telling you, I'm excited about going to Nigeria for the first time. Then you yourself, you have spent like maybe 30 years before you jackpot. And you are now having anxiety because you are coming to Nigeria. You
Nigeria.
spent 30 years here. People are coming here for the first time and they are excited. They are coming here full of energy. So don't just reduce your anxiety. If it's 2 weeks you want to spend here, if it's 1 week you want to spend here, if it's 3 weeks you want to spend here, just spend it normal. You know, you don't have to be afraid or you don't have to be scared about anything. At least we are here. We are going around every time. Yeah, we know there are security challenges, and I hope also that with this new influx of tourists, new influx of people coming in, our government can also improve on security.
Yeah. For sure, Lagos is now an hotspot. It's an
Very,
hotspot
very
for
hot. Very, very hot.
entertainment, and you should be on the side providing services and making money because this is your town. This is where you grew up. There are some people that stayed at home and they were making money from providing services to people that decided to come into the country. And there are people that came from outside the country that came with different innovations, like you said. They were influencers that are not from Nigeria. Kai Sinat was in the country before December and he decided to build a school. Even if he chose that, okay, it's going to be free. Trust me, that is just the foundation. It's going to do, he has had so many innovations being in the country.
Wow.
While Vicky is in the country and she has decided that she's moving to Nigeria, you think if she's not going to make money, she would think of moving to the country, leaving the whole US where she has been making dollars. Chloe Bailey was in the country, Sawiti was in the country, and they had so many good things to say about the country. And this is not limited to Afrobeat. Imagine international stars saying so many good things. You should know that December, they are coming with their friends that are even bigger, or their clique and more people. So just prepare from January, and we got you 100%. Whatever thoughts, whatever innovation, whatever idea, whatever opportunity we have to offer, we're going to give to you. Whatever you are confused about, slide into our DM. We got you 100%, and we are available 24/7. And yes, you can also check out so many videos on our page for topics that you are confused on, and you can still even leave comments for more enlightenment on it. We got you 100%. Follow Meet the Property Guy on all social media platforms. And yes, we love you. Have a wonderful new year.
Yeah, cheers.